Hi everyone, so I am back with a unboxing video. I was very kindly contacted by a company and they asked if they could send me one of their products out. And this comes from facemasksclub.com and I loved the concept of this, so I was really interested. So after a few emails backwards and forwards, I got my package and I thought I would do an unboxing for you guys here just to see what it's all about. I don't know what is in this box. I haven't opened it. I just literally cut the flap here so it's easy to open on camera, and I have of course covered my address up there. So it comes in a cute little box like this. Really nice, really flat, so it just fits through your letterbox as well, so you don't necessarily need to be in the house to collect this or anything. It will fit through your letterbox. And then it has their, I guess this is their like logo sticker thing on here, facemasksclub.com. So yeah, let's get to unboxing. I really like unboxing things on video for you guys. So oh, how cute. So it has the big sticker inside as well. I love this logo. I think that is so cute. And this is what it comes like. So it is beautifully wrapped. And it just, I have a little tag here and it says, "Hi there, great to work with you. Hope you love your masks." That is such a cute little tag and just a nice thoughtful message on there as well. So again, we have the sticker here to kind of keep everything all together. I love the pink tissue paper. It looks absolutely, you know me, I love pink, and I'm all for presentation as well. Like if I'm going to sign up to a subscription box or if I'm going to order anything, I really want the packaging to be amazing. So yeah, let's dive into this. Oh my god, look. I don't know if you can you see all the stars? Oh, little sequin stars, how cute are those? Oh my god, they are so cute. And do you know what is so great about them? Like I can actually use those for a nail project or a makeup project, Halloween makeup and things like that. So I will definitely reuse those stars. I know some people are not keen on the confetti inside of products. For me, it's not a problem at all. Obviously it's there when you open it so you can see it, and I would just kind of brush them off like I'm doing here. So that's not a problem for me. I do like that. I like little small touches like that. So yeah, let me see how many masks is actually in here. Oh, I just totally knocked the camera. Do excuse me. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, that's actually quite a lot of masks. So yeah, I'll go through the masks and let you guys know which one I've got. Olive collagen mask, skin recovery. So these are all sheet masks. Yes, they're all sheet masks. This is by the brand Purederm. Ooh, I really do like sheet masks as well. Sheet masks are just so much easier than normal masks, even though I do love normal masks, just for quickness and ease of use. I really do love sheet masks, and I love sheet masks because you can just literally lie in bed, watch the telly and pop a sheet mask on, and then when you're done, just peel it off. So that is that one. I can't wait to try all of these one. This is Sparkling Tok Tok Time. I haven't even got that in frame, have I? Sparkling Tok Tok Time Pinkful Lemon Toning. So I guess this is like a toning mask. And is this the brand Peri Pera? I feel like a lot of these are like K-beauty brands, which again I am a huge fan of. And obviously it does have the instructions on the back. So, well, I mean, there's not really much to go wrong with using a sheet mask, to be fair, is there? Oh my god, this one sounds amazing. Again, by the brand Peri Pera. This is a Juice Time Grape Mask Sheet. I bet this smells absolutely sensational. I'm definitely going to put some of these on my face. Some of them. I'm going to put one of these on my face tonight. Oh my god, I can't wait to use these. And I actually, like, how cute is the packaging, like, on all of these masks? I just think they're absolutely amazing. Can never go wrong with masks either. This would be great as a gift to somebody as well, if it's somebody's birthday coming up, or gift them it as a Christmas gift or something like that. I think that's really good as well. This is a rose blossom mask. Again, I am a huge fan of anything rose scented. This one is to brighten your skin with rose water. It's nourishing and hydrating. We could all use something nourishing and hydrating in the winter months. Our skin, hair and nails dry out so much in the winter months, so it is really important that you do look after your skin and your hair and your nails. Again, it has the instructions on the back there. I just love them. Absolutely love these. What is this one? Ooh, this is a fresh fruit extracts aloe sheet mask. Oh, after sun. Oh, how amazing would this be to take on holiday with you? I mean, I'm presuming not many of us are going on holiday this year. I know that my holiday was cancelled, but just say you were going on holiday or something, you could take this on holiday with you, pop it in a fridge, like if you're self-catering or something, pop it in a fridge, keep it nice and cool, and then if you've spent all day around the pool or you've been to the beach and you've just caught the sun, after a really nice cool shower, you could put this on before bed, and that would really help to soothe sunburn and things. I think that is a genius idea, like a mask for like an after sun mask. I think that is so cool. Then we have Vita Deep Power Ringer Mask Pack. Ooh, how funky is the packaging on this? I really, really like it. And this says here, Milky Piggy Cyborg, Vita Deep Power Ringer. Apply nourishing essence on face. Care mask improves facial skin tone and tired looking skin, more elastic and healthy. I could definitely do with this because I am tired. And again, yeah, it just tells you exactly what to do on the back with them and things like that. These are so cool. I'm actually over the moon with this box. I think it's such a good idea, and I don't think anybody has come up with the concept of a full face mask box before, or if I'm wrong, tell me, but I have never, until this company contacted me, I'd never even heard of them either. So I think it's really good that they are contacting influencers and getting their product out there, because like I'd never heard of it, and now I've heard of it, I'm really, really interested in it. And then the last one in the box is the hyaluronic acid essence mask. Hyaluronic acid is really, really good for your skin as well. I absolutely love it. And I've just noticed as well, there is I was saying that a lot of these are like K-beauty brands and things, but they do actually have English writing on the back, so it has the instructions and things, and it tells you any cautions, it tells you the ingredients, so it is all there in English on the back as well. I'm not sure if it was on all of them, is it? Yeah, it is actually. It's on this one as well, which is really, really great, because some of the masks that this one doesn't have it on, but like I say, you can't really go wrong with a sheet mask. Just make sure that your skin's nice and clean before you pop it on. And I would say like literally leave them on for like 10 minutes. Obviously, if you notice any stinging or anything like that, take it off. Just be sensible. I think a lot of us know how to use masks and things now. But I am absolutely over the moon with this. I'm totally spoiled for masks now. You all know I do love a good mask anyway. And I just love the easiness of a sheet mask. And there's like quite a selection there. There is different scents. There's things for hydration. There's things for toning. So you get a really, really good mixture of sheet masks in there, which is great. At least you're not getting kind of all the same, or all like one thing, such as all the masks coming as moisturizing ones, or all the masks coming as anti-aging ones. They give you a variety of different kind of treatment masks, which I absolutely love. So yes, guys, let me know what you think of this box. I'm like over the moon with it. I think it is such a genius idea. And like I say, it helps you to try out different brands that you wouldn't necessarily try. But I love it. I'm super duper happy with it. And I do actually have a discount code for you guys if any of you are interested in trying this box out, purchasing it or whatever. Maybe purchasing it for a Christmas gift for somebody or something, or a birthday gift. I will leave the discount code in the bottom bar and that entitles you to 10% off this box, which I always, whenever I short a brand's product, I always try to get a discount code for you guys, because I just think if you love things like me, obviously the first time trying it, it is quite nice to get a bit of a discount code. So yeah, I always try to get one for you guys, and I am always completely straight up, front and forward. Like, this was sent to me, I did not pay for this. But I am really, really happy with it. Obviously, I think you guys know me well enough now. If I didn't like something, I wouldn't review it, or I would be totally straight and I would say that I'm not happy with it. But I'm super happy with this. And obviously, when I was emailing backwards and forwards as well, the communication and customer care was absolutely fantastic as well. So it gets a big thumbs up from me. And I think I will probably purchase some of these to give as gifts for Christmas, because I think they're really, really nice for, like if you buy for your girlfriends or something, really, really nice. Yeah. So great for yourself, great for gifts, and big, massive thumbs up from me. So like I say, you guys, let me know what you think of this box. Let me know down below whether you're interested in trying it, whether you're going to try it, whether you use the discount code or anything like that. And I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Bye.